Feeling lost in a sea of hourly fees? Discover a new approach to wellness at Kryon Wisdom Centre. Are you frustrated with paying by the hour for services that just skim the surface? At Kryon Wisdom Centre, we prioritize you and your well-being over the ticking clock. Imagine having the freedom to address your concerns without ever worrying about time. Our holistic approach dives deep into your core issues to bring you true resolution. We offer a wide range of services tailored to your needs. Experience counseling with past life regression therapy, enjoy the healing power of Reiki, discover the art of metafeng shui, tap into the magic of telepathic communication, and much more. We cover all aspects of your life, ensuring you achieve real balance and well-being. No more chasing the clock, just genuine, transformative healing. Visit us today and take the first step towards a holistic, time-free healing experience. Kryon Wisdom Centre, because your well-being deserves more than just hourly attention.